society. We often use the terms education and learning interchangeably. However, they are different. Education is of the brain. It is a structured way to learn, and it often happens in the classroom or in the lecture theatre, like this room where we are sitting, and more recently online. It is about the acquisition of knowledge and is meant to influence how we view the world. It is much more theoretic. However, by contrast, learning, and in this case, lifelong learning, is of the mind. It is a lifelong process that transforms individuals and makes us to be at a different level. It influences our behaviors, our mindsets, our attitudes, our skills, and our values. Much of the learning we do is outside the classroom, and hence the book. It is not structured like we do in class, and can be acquired through personal experiences or the experiences of other people. According to the author, life is the greatest classroom one could ever have. The book talks about having curious minds, not being afraid to make mistakes, and learning who we are as individuals. And Lorraine shares her experiences of becoming independent from a young age, learning to budget, learning to fix things, wardrobes, and also that practice makes perfect. Having read this book, as I have, I felt inspired by the lessons, life experiences, and the quotes from the author. And I hope you will enjoy reading the book and draw some lessons from it. And I hope you will all enjoy the afternoon and will not regret coming to witness this event. Thank you very much.
Keep clapping. Wow. Can we just say thank you, Dr. Domoga? Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. So, who's ready to hear from the woman? Oh my God.